It's time for a challenge, sound effects challenge. Now, this game puts your listening skills to the test. One person makes a sound, maybe a car horn or a dog barking or the sound of a ringing phone, while the rest of the team tries to guess what it is. Simple, right? Well, not always. Imagine someone letting out a long, dramatic sigh. Are they a frustrated boss dealing with too many emails or a deflating balloon? Add an extra challenge by blindfolding the guessers so they have to rely purely on sound. The fun is going to be in the interpretation.